Morning traders. Well, the big marquee risk event for this week is the FOMC meeting on Wednesday, and it looks very likely that we're going to get a 75 basis point rate hike. Why am I of that opinion? Well, we saw the Hawks, Bullard and Waller were saying that if the data's, if it was robust and really strong, that would push them to a bigger rate hike than 75 basis points. But we've had a weak PMI. We've had a cooling housing market. So it doesn't look like that's the case. The market's priced for just above 75 basis points, so a small chance of a 100 basis point hike. 50 basis point would obviously be a big dovish shock for the dollar. Guidance is really going to be important. I think that's actually the most important thing coming from this meeting for September. Are they still prioritizing inflation over growth? You'll have to look at the language from Jerome Powell's presser and maybe some phrases in the statement. 59 basis points priced for the September meeting. Are we going to get any updates on quantitative tightening and balance sheet reduction? So that's the big event. Tuesday, we get US consumer confidence. We know how important the consumer is to the US economy. Wednesday, we got German GFK consumer confidence. Thursday, we got Q2 US GDP. The market expects 0.4%. Will it sort of track with the Atlanta Fed GDP now, which is looking at around negative 1.6%? Will we see that technical recession? We got German inflation, 8.1% expected. It was 8.2% previously. Those are harmonized numbers. And on Friday, we get the Fed's preferred inflation metric, core PCE, and final release of University of Michigan inflation expectations. We know how important that is for the Fed. And then eurozone CPI, 8.7% expected, 8.6% previously, so an uptick there, and Q2 GDP growth. In terms of equity land, Tuesday we got Alphabet, Microsoft and Visa's earnings, and on Thursday we get Apple, MasterCard and Amazon. The one asset that's on my radar that everybody should be looking at is gold. It looks like we're having a bit of a mean reversion bounce there. 1750 is coming into play. Trade the opportunity with Pepperstone.